All right, another trade breakdown for GBP weekly bearish. Daily we saw this pretty nice rejecting on this kind of area of interest for our have a shift lower low, lower high, and a lower high. We're looking for entry on the 1 hour. So if you go for 30 minutes around this super ugly though, super ugly. So break and then bearish around here. Really managed to enter as well. Really managed to enter. Then when the price have a liquidity swap, but failure to break this um, lower high. So this is another equal high, and then price dominate. And I saw this momentum on opening of New York, so I jump in. Actually, this is 3RR. Then price is too bearish, then you do have another accumulation. Then you could really scale in around here if you want to do scale in at London session. Price pull your stop loss like above here, 2.5 RR. But yeah, really nice. So this is a very good example of liquidity swap failing to break the lower high, so kind of having a equal high. So yeah, we don't use much that word, but yeah, sometimes we know how to spot liquidity version equal high equal low. So yeah, I mean, very nice move. 3RR, and then if you could scale in 2.5 RR.